The pin machine seated leg curl trains the hamstrings, more specifically in their lengthened position. To set up, there are 4 adjustments to make on the machine. The first is the back pad. We want the pad in a position that lines up our knee joint with the machine's axis of rotation. Secondly, adjust the shin roller so it sits on the back of your lower calf. Feet should be straight and hip width, with your ankles, knees, and hips in a straight line. Thirdly, we need to adjust the sundial, which determines our range of motion. We want to set this as high as your flexibility allows to get a nice stretch on the hamstrings. Lastly, we need to adjust the thigh pad. Secure this as tight as possible to anchor you in. Next, lean forward with a neutral spine to deepen the stretch on the hamstrings, and grab onto the handles firmly, pulling yourself forward. For the action, on the concentric, simply flex your knee, pulling your calf toward your hamstring, and squeezing for a moment. On the eccentric, extend your knee with control, getting a nice stretch in your hamstrings. For proper alignment, maintain a neutral spine and avoid rounding your upper back when leaning forward. Lastly, keep your toes pointing up throughout.